before we get going, you in there. So I need you to do something for me. First, get out of full screen. All right. You see down there the subscribe. I want you to click that. All right. Good. And then right next to it, there's a bell. You see the options. You press the bell. Press the bell. Okay. Pick all. You got it? Good. All right. Let's go full screen again. Let's see if we can fix that. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today, what I'm going to be installing is going to be the Emerald Struts automatic hatch opener. So what this product is going to do for a hatchback vehicle like the RS is, instead of popping the door loose like you saw in the opener, this is going to cause the hatch to completely open up, you know, just like a remote controlled hatch on like an SUV, where you don't have to come and lift it up like so. It'll automatically kick it right up. So it's a really simple process. All you're gonna need is a screwdriver. We're gonna remove the clips from the top and the bottom OEM struts on both sides, and then we're gonna assemble these to get these in. So let's get started. All right, so open up the box. Comes with some installation cards and a list of their social media. So the first thing that you'll notice on these is that they have like a red strut type assembly to it, almost like a coilover, but for your hatch. Then we got the other ends on this side. And then, as you can see, it says Focus Mark III right there on it. So whenever you get these, you can verify on the box or on here that is the right one. So we go ahead and spin them on. All right, that's one. And that's two. All right, so let's take it over to the car and get these bad boys set up. So we're going to be taking off this clip, top and bottom, with a screwdriver. We're going to slide it in and we're going to lift it up. Okay, both driver's side and passenger side. Once that's done, this will pop off. Keep in mind, once these are off, you're going to have to support the hatch because it will start to lower. So what we do have is we also have this little hook right here. So you're going to spin this and then it'll unlock. Just be careful, it will fall out. Okay. So there's that little pin I was talking about. It spins and it pulls right out. There's some needle lines right here on each ball. So it does take a little bit of force to pop that on initially. I recommend a little bit of grease. And as you can tell, this one's already strong enough to hold the hatch up by itself. So then you're just going to take this little needle and clasp. You're going to find the eye. Slide it through and clip it in place. Okay? So install complete. Let's check it out. Oh, already that's a lot tougher to close. So I'm hoping that we get a good result. All right. Here we go. Double click. That's what I'm talking about. So there you have it. Nice, quick, easy install. 5 minutes, no problem. This is a UK company, so it will take a little bit of time in shipping. Took about maybe a week and a half for it to get here. So you know, when I initially ordered the part, I actually received the wrong struts. I received the struts for an Audi A3, so current gen Audi A3. So, oh no, I'm sorry, a 2013 to 2019 Audi A3 hatch was the one that I received for. So if anyone sees this overseas or has an Audi A3 hatch, I have those struts for you. You can contact me through the Wrench Heads the Facebook page or Instagram for pricing. But my fault for not contacting them right away, because I was just kind of hoarding away parts for, you know, during the winter, and I never verified the part once I got it. So they did work with me. Instead of wasting time and money shipping the struts back, they let me keep the struts, and all I had to do was wind up paying the like $12 or $13 shipping for them to send out another case. So with them sending me out a second case, I made sure to check this one as soon as I got it. Made sure that it said Focus Mark III on the box and on the packaging. So I mean the tubing before I put it in, because obviously it didn't work this time. You just guys wouldn't be seeing this video. But I think this is an awesome upgrade. They actually have an automatic one as well, a motorized one as well, which would assist in closing your hatch. Obviously, I didn't spring for that one. That one was like $500, and I don't really need it on a car like this. I very rarely open up the trunk that much, but for the times I do, automatic popping to save the day. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. I will leave the link for Emerald Struts down in the description. And as always, wrench daily.